Hello everyone, I have Happy Mail. This is for Sonya's secret swap. So it's from Persons Unknown. I've opened up the box, taken all the tape and everything off the box because I didn't want to spend half this video trying to get into it. So I've opened it up, but I haven't looked at anything that's inside. So we can look through that together. So I'm really excited because this is my first ever Happy Mail. This is the first bit of mail I've gotten from this whole thing. So this is all new and exciting for me. So let's see what we've got. Oops. So it says, Sonya's birthday swap. Guess who I am? Lol. I don't know, someone with a good sense of humour, obviously. Okay, so what have we got? So on top, there's a very pretty doily. Ooh, I really like that. It's gorgeous. I'm already thinking of all the things I can use it for. And okay, so here is my card. Dear Katrina, love from ? Ooh, I really like that tape. It's washi tape and it's like a film reel or film from a camera. Excuse me, I've got this silly cough back. I can't seem to shake it. It's just not nice at all. So excuse me if I have to stop and cough. Alright, oh! Oh, that's pretty. You're the closest I'll ever come to magic. Oh, that is beautiful. That is just lovely. Oh, and I love the flowers too. So, flowers. And look at that, and I just love this little fairy. How pretty is that? Just so pretty. Okay. Just quickly read through this, make sure I can say it out loud. Okay. Hello, dear Katrina. Hello, secret swap partner. I wonder if you realised who I am. Clue 1. I have been known to speak my mind here on YouTube. Okay. 2. Sonya is a good friend of mine. Okay, I think I might know who it is. Not too sure yet. It's seriously scrapping. I thought so. That's who I was thinking. I think it was you, Irene. I'm glad to have you as a partner to get to know you more. Hope you like everything. Love, Irene. Oh, that's just lovely. Oh, that's hilarious. Thank you, Irene. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, now into the goodies. Oh, there's so many packages in there. I don't know where to start. Let's go with this one. Oh, just for you with love. That's beautiful. I love how you wrap these, Irene. They're just gorgeous. Now, we can get this off without ripping anything. That is so pretty. Okay. I love this paper too. I wonder if I can get this off without ripping it. Oh. You've used washi tape, so I should be able to do pretty well. I'm gonna have to find out where you got this washi tape from. It's just gorgeous. Okay. Bubble wrap. This one's fairly heavy. wonder if it might be the bottle. Pretty sure I've seen your video, Irene, but I'm not 100% sure. Might ring some bells once I see them. I'll get into here eventually. You've wrapped them so well. Ooh, it is the bottle. Maybe I haven't seen your video. I have to go back and watch it. How'd you come? Maybe I should have gone through and opened up everything before I started the video so you didn't have to watch me do all this. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, isn't that pretty? Okay. So I've got the burlap flower. Ooh, I don't know where to look first. Oh, I love the neutrals that you've used. It just looks so beautiful. The flowers on top. It's just gorgeous. Ooh, and there's goodies inside, but look at this. Wow. What is in here? So, we'll have another look at this. So pretty. Oh, little butterfly. Just gorgeous. And I love the little doily you used on the bottom there. Okay. So. Wow. Should I just tip all this out and see what's in there? Alright, let's do this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Irene, you're just too kind. I'll just pick this one up that I've dropped. Oh. I love them. Oh, we've got beautiful beads and pearls and little cameos. I love these beads. Just beautiful. Lots of little flowers. Ooh. Little flat-backed shapes. Hearts and stars and butterflies. Ooh, some nice big beads too. Wow, and more beads and more cameos. Holy moly. Oh, beautiful buttons. Look at that. Oh, it helps if I actually show it. Just beautiful. Oh my goodness, Irene. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, aren't they pretty? Little bird cages, they're just beautiful. Oh, I don't even know what to do with myself. Oh my goodness, look at the little umbrella. Oh, little chair. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at the little hair clip. Oh, Irene. Oh. Wow, that's pretty. Little pin. Wow. This might end up being quite a long video because there seems to be a lot in here. What is this? Oh my goodness. Did you make that? That is beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. Go for round two. Oh, laces and all sorts of things. Oh dear. Oh. It's another one of those beautiful little flowers. Whoops. Helps if I don't drop everything. Butterfly with beautiful setting in the middle. flower. Oh wow, some more flowers and little beautiful, just beautiful. And some, oh isn't that fine? Tiny little flowers, such beautiful colours. And then we have little doily, pretty, oh wow, and some beautiful laces. Look at that one, it's got the one underneath and then the burgundy on top. It's beautiful. Oh, thank you so, so much. Just lovely. Oh, and look at that colour. It's just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Irene. Okay, what's next? I'm all ready. Oh, look at this one. I'm already overwhelmed with what I've already gotten. That is so cute. You've done so well. I love how you wrap things. I'm going to have to step up my wrapping game. You've put me to shame. I love this idea of wrapping things in the old patterns. I've got some old patterns I can use. Wow. Oh, the altered spool. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look. It's so pretty. I love it. Little pearls, butterflies. Oh, I love these little diamantes. It's so cute. It looks like a little stick pin in there. Beautiful stick pin. Just lovely. Thank you so much. Don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. That's so sweet. Wow, I just love it. It is gorgeous. Show you again. I love the little pearls that you've used to attach around the tops and bottom. Just gorgeous. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Too much stuff. Don't know what to do with myself. Oh my goodness. I might leave that one until last, because I think we need to find... What have you done, Irene? Maybe this is the pen. I've gone quiet because I'm overwhelmed by all the stuff. I don't know what to say. Oh, look at the paper. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the ladies on it. Look at that. It's just lovely. Oh, and the pen. Wow. Look at that. I love the colours, the blacks and the reds. Look at the little dangles on it. Isn't that cute? So beautiful. Oh, and they've got little tiny apples. That's beautiful. Oh, and the flower has sparkles. Wonder what you added them with. I'll have to ask. That is just beautiful. Now I'm a bit scared of, there we go, seeing where it comes apart. And there's working pen, so that's the lid. That's the other end, and it's still free enough that you can actually use it. That's great. Oh, thank you. Gosh, so many parcels. Oh dear. Oh dear. This is like Christmas for me. We just had Mother's Day and I went and bought my own Mother's Day pajamas for my family to give me. So this is like my second Mother's Day present. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a beautiful photo frame. Oh, this must be what you chose to alter. Oh, that is just lovely. Look at the rope trim. It's gorgeous, and pearl. Love it. And that beautiful lace. You ladies find the best laces and the best stuff to use. I wish I could find things like that. And I love the paper you've used underneath. Look. And the beautiful lady. Or little girl. Just gorgeous. Just absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. So what have we got? We've got the bottle. We've got the spoon. We've got, you have your own choice. We've got the pen. Just moving them all over to the side. Okay, so then we've got one more, but I've still got 4 packages. That does not seem to add up because I've already got my little crafty goodies that came in the bottle. I didn't need anything else. Oh, some more beautiful washi tape. I've seen this one before. It's the tape, the ruler one. It's gorgeous. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's clever. That's cute. Oh my goodness. This one's the zipper. You can see the zipper. And it looks like it's gonna zip up. It is so cute. I love the colours of the flowers. They're beautiful. And the beautiful picture. And I love this too. Little music paper clip. And then this bit comes out. Oh, it's the beautiful lady again. How good is that? So cute. And that paper's lovely. It's dimensional paper. It's beautiful. It's almost furry. Oh, that is so clever. Good work, Irene. So beautiful. Gosh, I just love it. Wow. So that means the rest of this stuff is all just extras. Irene. Oh dear, look at this. Oh. Open her up. It's going to be such a long video, I'm sorry, but there's so much stuff. I'll try and go through it a little quicker. Wow, aren't they pretty? Gosh, they're just gorgeous. gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So over here, and we've got this one. Oh. Oh dear. Beautiful star earring. That was sitting on there, but oh, how beautiful is that? Wow. Another, get him to drop down. The beautiful earring. Gosh, so many things. Lovely laces. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I love that colour. Just lovely. Oh my goodness. Trying to empty it out without losing it everywhere. Got beads and bead ends. Cameos. Gosh, the beads are just beautiful. And beautiful charms. Oh gosh, I don't even know how to show you all this. There's just so much. Brads. Look at that, isn't that cute? Flowers. Buttons. My goodness. Look. So cute. Oh, I love that. You can see the little music in it. Oh, just lovely. Oops. These ones, just beautiful. Little boot. So cute. Oh my gosh, there's more and more and more. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Put them all away later. Take me too long to do it, and this video is already so long. That's a pretty ribbon too. So cute. I love these bags. I'm gonna have to make some. Flowers are escaping. Ooh, more. So we have little mini pegs. How cute are they? And flowers and flowers and flowers. So I may have to break this up into 2 videos because this is just going to be incredibly long otherwise. Isn't that gorgeous? Brooch, just beautiful. charm. Could be a key ring or something. Ooh. Lots of little doilies. Wow. That's awesome. Oh, and more beautiful laces. Looks like that one again. And then a black and white one. How pretty is that? And this one, it's kind of hard to see this one through the paper. Try to open it. Look. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Okay. Lots of beautiful little things I can use in my different paper crafty shapes. Oh, love it. Love the vintagey stuff so much. Look, just love them. Mr. Lace. That's pretty. Look. Gorgeous. Put it back in its bag later. And oh my goodness. I've got rhinestones. Oh, and cute little butterflies. Aren't they cute? And brads. Oh my goodness. Irene, that is way too much stuff. Thank you so much, but you didn't have to do all that. Oh my goodness. I really, really appreciate it, Irene. That's just gorgeous. You're a gorgeous person. And as for what you've made, they are just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm gonna have to find a pretty place to display them all because they are just too cute. So thank you so much, Irene. I really appreciate it. Sorry this video is so long, guys. I might split it up into 2 videos so it's not such a big chunk that you have to sit through. Thank you, Irene. I don't know what to say. It's just amazing. Oh, I really, really appreciate it. It's just, everything's gorgeous. I just love everything. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.